Raw pepper and pear combination unlocked something my doctors missed. 6 months ago, I stood in front of my bathroom mirror staring at someone I'd barely recognized. My skin looked gray and tired. Dark circles shadowed my eyes. Chronic inflammation had turned my joints stiff and painful. I had accepted this as normal aging at 38. Then one unusual food pairing changed everything in ways I never anticipated. Grocery shopping that Tuesday felt routine until I noticed them side by side. Bright red bell peppers next to golden pears. Something clicked. I bought both without knowing why. That evening, I sliced one raw pepper and one ripe pear, ate them together, and my body responded within hours in ways that seemed impossible. Most people cook their peppers or eat pears as simple snacks. They miss the biochemical magic that happens when these two foods combine in your digestive system. The science behind this pairing reveals why it works so powerfully. Raw bell peppers contain extraordinarily high levels of vitamin C. One medium red pepper provides over 200% of your daily requirement. But vitamin C alone doesn't explain what happened to me. Peppers also contain quercetin, a flavonoid that reduces inflammation throughout your body. When you heat peppers, you destroy up to 50% of these beneficial compounds. Pears bring something completely different to the combination. They contain high levels of soluble fiber, specifically pectin. This fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in your gut. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows that pear pectin significantly increases populations of lactobacillus and bifidobacterium species. The synergy starts in your digestive tract. Vitamin C from the pepper enhances iron absorption from both foods. Quercetin from the pepper combines with the antioxidants in pear skin to create compounds your body can't produce alone. The fiber from the pear slows digestion just enough to maximize nutrient absorption from the pepper. Day 1 brought unexpected digestive calm. I had lived with bloating and discomfort after most meals for years. That evening after eating the pepper and pear combination, my stomach felt settled and comfortable. The prebiotic fiber from the pear was feeding healthy gut bacteria, while the anti-inflammatory compounds from the pepper were reducing intestinal inflammation. By day 3, my energy levels shifted noticeably. The afternoon crash that had plagued me daily simply didn't happen. Pears provide natural sugars that release slowly into your bloodstream. Combined with the pepper's high nutrient density, this creates sustained energy without the spike and crash of simple carbohydrates. Joint pain began improving around day 5. My knees had hurt climbing stairs for over a year. That morning, I noticed the pain had decreased significantly. A study in the European Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that regular quercetin consumption can reduce inflammatory markers by up to 30% in people with chronic inflammation. The mechanism works through COX-2 enzyme inhibition. Quercetin blocks this enzyme similarly to how anti-inflammatory medications work, but without the side effects. The vitamin C amplifies this effect by supporting collagen production in joint tissue. Skin changes became visible within 10 days. Friends commented that I looked healthier and more rested. The vitamin C in peppers is essential for collagen synthesis. Your body cannot produce collagen without adequate vitamin C. One raw pepper daily provides more than enough to support optimal collagen production throughout your body. My immune system strengthened dramatically. I typically caught every cold that circulated through my office. After 3 weeks of daily pepper and pear consumption, I remained healthy while colleagues around me got sick. Research from the National Institutes of Health confirms that vitamin reduces duration and severity of respiratory infections. The fiber content transformed my digestive regularity. Pears contain approximately 6 grams of fiber per fruit. Combined with the pepper's fiber and water content, this combination promotes smooth digestive function. The soluble fiber also helps regulate blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption. Blood sugar stability improved remarkably. I had experienced energy crashes and intense cravings for years. After 2 weeks of this food pairing, those patterns disappeared. The fiber from pears creates a gel-like substance in your stomach that slows sugar absorption. This prevents the rapid blood sugar spikes that trigger insulin surges and subsequent crashes.